still using it even now. Sila po ay nag-mission pa rin sa Indonesia. And they have been serving God there together with their children. And even here in the U.S., God has been using them mightily, and I am personally blessed with their lives. Dito po ang ating speaker, he's a former missionary of the Overseas Missionary Fellowship. Kasama po niya kanyang magandang asawa, si Sister Pat. Thank you for your presence. Thank you, Lisa. And let's welcome God's servant who's going to bless us today with his word.
I think, Pastor Sola, you're too kind. You are, we first met nung matagal na. And alam ninyo, na meron akong dugong Pilipino.
Amen.
Totoo yun. Totoo, ako'y may dugong Pilipino.